Why do you look human?
I am human. Please. We mean no harm. We're just trying to get to safety. There's a...
Safety? You're smuggling demons into our realm. Our only safety is their species extinction.
You don't understand.
У камина в 6 утра.